there was no point switching there because they scored the equal amount of points in that race.
All right, so the Class 2 girls are up next. And Johnson of the Queens, Hall of Homewood, Wright of Immaculate, Smith of St. Mary High, Campbell of St. Jago, East of Wolmer's, Johnson of Hydel, and Satchwell of Edwin Allen. The athletes listed for the Class 2 girls 200-meter final as they head to their blocks. Missing from lane 3, that's Kimberly Wright of Immaculate. So no Kimberly Wright. So
Kimberly has been doing a lot of work, as you know, Jermaine.
Yes, so Johnson of the Queens in 1, Hall, Homewood in 2, Smith, St. Mary High, 5th in the 100 meters, Campbell 2nd in the 100 meters. The 100-meter champion, East, runs from lane 6. Johnson 2nd in the 400 meters. She goes in lane 7. Sent off. East gets out quickly. So too does Johnson of Hydel. It's East at this point who has the lead coming off the turn, but only just. It's NATRECE East from Sashana Johnson. NATRECE East going for the sprint double here in the Class 2 girls 200 meters. It's NATRECE East who strikes gold and takes in the sprint double, wins ahead of Johnson. And what an afternoon thus far for Wolmer's here in the half lap event. NATRECE East getting the sprint double as she did in Class 4 and Class 3, and has done the same in Class 2. And what an athlete in the making here. 23.54 for NATRECE East of Wolmer's in taking the Class 2 girls 200 meters.
Was it even a question? After doing 11:21 as a PB in the 100 meters on Wednesday evening here at Champs, we figured she was in her best shape of her life. Time doesn't reflect it because, again, into a negative wind, and she went up against Sashana Johnson of Hydel, who is coming here on fire. NATRECE East working that lane 6 really well. As they enter the straight, Jermaine, you said it, she had a narrow lead on Johnson, and then she does what Coach Carr taught her to do, which is lift. Get the arms up high, the knees up as fast and high as you can get them. Johnson did not give her 1 inch. Coach Wilson, they went all the way together to the line. NATRECE East maintaining her composure just a little bit better. There's no need to grit your teeth and swing your head and do anything else. Just keep your stride going. That's what NATRECE East of Wolmer's did, and she got her double gold. What she did 2 years ago here at Champs in Class 3, she has now brought to Class 2. What wonderful progress for NATRECE East of Wolmer's.